Alright guys, welcome back to Vito's Garage. It's gonna be a quick video probably. I'm trying to replace this window switch that you probably, like, if you follow and if you watch my videos, you probably know that I have a problem with this one. So this switch doesn't work. I actually noticed that, and I diagnosed it when actually it was still you know, I was replacing this door and stuff. So I'm gonna just change it real quick, and I have this other window switch. Sorry for the mess, you know. I have these 17-inch wheels here, and you know, I promise the car is gonna get cleaned up so nice. It's gonna be all good. I'm just currently trying to like fix some stuff up and actually fix some suspension in my alignment before I put these good tires on. Yeah, so here's the window switch. So I'm gonna quickly install it, and we're gonna test it after that. And if you guys haven't watched the video about this door replacement and how I was changing it, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Alright, so set it up here. So you basically just unplug it with the connector. It's unplugged. Now you gotta take this guy out of here. So what you're gonna do is, you see this right there and this on that side, kind of like clips, so you have to push them together. Once you squeeze them, basically you should be able to push this through. Let's try that. Yeah, you can also use flathead screwdriver for your help. So there it is. There's the old switch, and we're gonna install a new one. Okay, the same way. This one is a lot easier. You just gotta line it up. There, and then you just kind of push both halves like that. It's in. And final step is gonna be there, focus. Okay, it's actually not the final step, that's just connecting it. But now what you're gonna do is, this whole assembly has to actually go in. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and test it. So put the key in the ignition. Oh, come on, my steering wheel is locked. There you go. So key is on. Alright, so I have my ignition on, guys, and press this button. Hey, look at that, she's going, and now going back up. So she's moving really nice and smooth, since when I replaced this door I lubricated all the tracks and all the window stuff, mechanism, window motor, so she's all nice. Now I just gotta reinstall this. Might be a little bit of a challenge because of this. So I'm gonna try, see what we can do. Like that. Alright. And this kind of like a crack, it was already on it before I was working or doing anything. Alright. Let's do moment of truth. Whoa. She's good. Alright, perfect. Clean all this stuff up. Just wanted to say thank you for supporting and watching, and I'm gonna keep doing more things to this car, making it better and better every day. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully together we can grow and save these old school cars. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot more videos coming up, and just stay tuned. I'll see you again. And alright guys, so I'm just reattaching. I'm trying to reattach these door trim pieces for now. Okay, so you're supposed to use new clips. These are the new clips that I have. They actually work for 123s, 124s, R127s, W126s. So, and the only thing is they're really stiff, so I'm using this piece of rubber to actually push them in, because they're really stiff. And I'm not sure about these. I'm probably gonna leave them alone for now. I'm gonna have this piece off at some point, because I'm gonna be probably repainting all this door and all that stuff, so they're gonna come off. But yeah, and then the clip doesn't want to go in this one, assuming it's because it's a little rusted in there. So we'll see what we can do, but what I want to do is I want to really reattach this guy so it looks a little better. Go. That's how it goes in. That one, probably do the same with the fender. So here's what I did. Put regular bearing grease so this stays protected. Alright. Good stuff, actually. Now I can reinstall my trim. Alright guys, so still need to clean it, but this is the final product. Unfortunately, the clips that I was showing you guys, they're not good. They don't work. As soon as you press those the clips in, as soon as you press this whole thing, this whole trim in to those clips, actually those clips break because they're too small, and they cannot withstand those plastic trim pieces behind this trim piece, like, if you know what I mean. Like, this trim piece has basically like plastic things going all the way around, and then those things, they actually, like, if you try to push out the whole thing in, it just like kind of breaks. So what I did is I kind of like put it in temporarily. It's not perfect, but it's holding up, so it's gonna be good. It's not gonna fall off. It's holding it up here and everywhere, so it's gonna be good. Looks a lot better now, at least. Just can't wait to put those wheels on, those 17-inch. My alignment is actually pretty bad, but before doing my alignment I want to replace the guide rods right there. There's guide rods. I want to change those guys, and then I'll do my alignment, and then I can install the 17-inch wheels.